If you're using the G Suite account, then you have these controls as a host. So you can see over here that as I start the meeting, on the bottom left hand side, you can see that there's host controls. You can also access this from the starter meeting session before you even join in the meeting room. But over here, the overall options are the same. So once I click on this, what happens is that there's quick access. So when turned off, everyone who isn't invited must ask to join and include people in your organization. So now quick access, like when this is turned on, what happens is that anyone even outside of your organization can actually join in the Google Meet link, just like that. But if you were to turn this off, if someone is out of your organization, they'll have to send they will join the meeting, but the host has to accept them into the meeting room first before they actually can join in the meeting room. So usually it's very easy to let this turn on. So if you want to allow everyone in, then it says let everyone share their screen. So let's say, for example, if you don't want them to share their screen, then you simply turn this off. And then what happens is that you only as a host will be able to share the screen. If you want everyone to share, then you simply turn this on. You can also have the blocked out chat messages. So now they won't be able to send out any messages right here. So you can see right here, you got a key right here as well. You can let everyone send in messages right here or turn it off. This is only available for the G Suite account members and not for regular Google Meet users. So over here, you can also see the host controls right here, and where you can access the share the screen and send chat messages option. You can also view all the host settings right over here, and you can also view it from over here. So you can go over here, view all host settings, and you see the same option. So you can see over here, besides the audio and the video, you got the host controls. And over here, you have an option to turn on and off the chat messages, the screen right over here, and quick access. So it's just the same setting right here, but you as a host has more control if you're using a G Suite account, just like that. And that is how you can work around with the host controls inside of Google Meet. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.